Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to add payment method or the PayPal payment method on Stockx. So, for the PayPal to be added on your Stockx account, you will have two options. The first one is by going to your profile here and going to the wallet right here. This will take you to this page where you can add your payment method. So you click on add and this will take you here where you will be able to add either Visa card or PayPal as you will be seeing. So you can click on here on PayPal and this will redirect you to your PayPal account. Make sure to write down your email and then your password and of course fulfill this information right here and then click on checkout with PayPal. So this is the first step or the first method. Now what about the second method? The second method is basically throughout the product page. So I'm gonna click on this product. For example, I would like to buy this Nike Air Force. So I'm gonna write through it. I'm gonna of course choose for example the color, of course the size, and here choose either I want the express ship applied or not. This will give me like faster basically shipment. So it's up for you to choose it. I'm going to click buy now, and once you are here, you're simply going to click on here to please add a payment method. So simply go ahead and click on add payment method through this page. So you can have here add button and basically just click on it and this will take you exactly where we've been before, which is how we added the payment method previously. So you have to choose PayPal as I have mentioned earlier and basically fulfill the information with your name, last name, address, etc. And of course, finally, basically just write down your PayPal credentials. So here, as you can see, I'm gonna choose PayPal and write down your PayPal credentials and then click on checkout with PayPal. And this should be cutting money from your PayPal account so it can be paying or funding this item price, which is $77. And yeah, this is almost it for today's video, guys. Thank you a lot for watching. If you did, make sure to leave us a like, subscribe, and leave us a beautiful comment. And see you guys in the next upcoming video.